It's really a driving passion for the industry. Of course, we all love that, but we really love the ability to help somebody be better today than they were yesterday. Our goal with this training is it's really helping each other get better, right? It should be mutually beneficial, right? We should gain and grow and learn as much from the students as the students are from us. Just the technical side of this and the application side of this industry is changing all the time. We really try and go through the deal step by step. We sort of think floors build from the bottom up, so we start with cracks in concrete and work all the way up to final coat.
Oh, I love the hands-on. Yeah, everything's got to be touchy-feely to me. It's great looking at a book or a pamphlet, but able to actually, do the products and use the products to me has been one. And then, of course, the younger guys here that's never touched anything, has been very interesting watching them.
I think the biggest thing to any training is obviously the hands-on, but even more so is the ability to ask, why is it that way?
To be able to have fun in this business is going to keep you in the business. So when you get moments like these where you can actually have fun, it definitely compels you to want to do more.
When people can get out of their normal element and the regular day-to-day distractions, their phone ringing, their employees asking questions, it allows them the opportunity to really have the chance to just listen and be open and enjoy, and truthfully, sometimes we just need to breathe in this business. So I don't know if we do things different or the same as other manufacturers. We do things our way, so our requirement is just get here and we'll take care of everything else. So we try and put them in a decent place, feed them well, entertain them, and we really kind of treat them like they're part of our family. And we're always looking to find creative ways to keep people engaged and just say thanks for coming down and do something fun at night. For us, again, it's not about us, it's about how can we help our students improve their business, right? But really find that system that's successful for them, and if it works with our products, then we, of course, like that even more.